7.
They're a wonderful, wonderful design. Looks like Dave hasn't had quite enough, so he's got a bit of an aileron roll to finish there.
Well, you don't...
Tiger! Yep, so we're going to see a couple of Tiger moths here today, ladies and gents. That one belongs to the New Zealand Air Force Historic Flight. So that will be flying around, and you'll also see a C-4 airframer, hopefully, shortly taking off. Very nice opportunity for the aircraft of Historic Flight. Defensive formation with the current serving airframer. Today that we're actually going to get the Sioux flying and we're going to get the 109 flying, so you guys will be able to have a look and compare and contrast the two. Fly through.
That way, but it is a call from the organisers that we expected a huge crowd, we're getting a huge crowd, probably up to 50,000 people. Those people who are out there on State Highway 1 trying to get in, there's no shortcut. Please take your time, be patient as we go back into World War I out there in the middle of Bristol Fighter and the Fokker D7.
This is the oldest type of aircraft on display at the Airshow today.
What was extraordinary at the time was just how manoeuvrable they were. The Bristol fighter, which made its operational debut on the Allied Spring Fleet in 1970. 50 of them were built. They had a 190 horsepower Rolls-Royce Falcon engine, a maximum speed of about 123 mile an hour, just under 200 kilometres an hour, while the German...
Quite regularly, the owner and pilot of this aircraft, Graham Bethel, up to play that music. So, hey, here he comes. You just have to imagine that in your heads as he performs his display for us today.
Boeing 757, and... because we saw what those Hornets did. I must admit I was a little surprised when I came out here just after 6 this morning, the few cars that were there. Let's get back to the Spitfire. A beautiful slow.
Well, I can hear it. Has helped those people. You mentioned obviously the capabilities of the P3, and it's a tip here I think to put in that we're actually upgrading our fleet at the moment. We're in the process of updating the system, the aircraft itself on the same track, but basically the avionics kit and the surveillance kit down the back is getting a full upgrade. They're going to be redesignated the P3 2Ks. To recognise this fact, and it's going to make the P3 Orion's ability to patrol and survey both inshore and offshore waters that much more impressive.
Right, coming back, here comes the Vampire in for the low pass.
Now this aircraft is very well known in New Zealand.
Of the new building at the centre end of the new building that houses the new Olympic.
It is affectionately known as Tonky, although don't ask me why.
In World War II, it was huge. It's huge, and
nice slow pass there as the Bombay doors open. Yeah, the Adventure's seen some really varied service actually.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, introduce the Roaring 40s aerobatic display team from the New Zealand Warbirds. These aircraft are all based in Ardmore and Auckland, and today they're starting with a Vic Loop. Private owners, and became the basis of the Warbirds Association. Right in High School in Palmerston North, and
is, I think, he's a former New Zealand aerobatic champion.
That's correct. In 2002 and 3. And I think he's about to prove to us why. So that ground roll on the runway was 70 yards long. And he's airborne. 105 knots, pulls up.
The autogyro is not a helicopter which relies on an engine to drive the motors. It's more like a fixed-wing aeroplane. A gyro has a pair of overhead freewheeling rotating wings. These wings are aerofoil in shape. When rotated, provide lift. Free rotation to 100 revs per minute is achieved mechanically prior to takeoff.
Plane, that's for certain. Making all the right sort of noises too.
Here we are, and was also out there with number 40 Squadron and their Dakotas and Lodestars at the time.
There's no shortage of power. This Pratt Whitney double watt the Black Beauty, the 777ER departing later on in the afternoon as the X takes the air.
Thanks very much, Jake.
Hi again, everybody. Yak 52 team spent a lot of time practicing these routines, and there's the result. 6 ships. You hear the nice sound of the radial engines, and they all peel away, ready for the break. There we go. Back to you.
Delivered to
We were really hoping that the King Air would be able to actually put on a flying display for us, but as it turns out, in their really Strutmaster, they're so busy today, they rarely have a very tight range.
Ratio greater than 1 to 1, so the accelerating vertically upwards as well.